Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. In this video, we're going to count the atoms in the caffeine molecule, that's C₈H₁₀N₄O₂. Seems like a lot, but it's kind of easy, so let's get going. Alright, so how many of each element is in the formula C₈H₁N₄O₂? Well, let's look at these subscripts. And so for our carbon right here, we see we have a subscript of 8. That subscript of 8 tells us that there are 8 carbon atoms in that molecule. Well, next, let's look at our hydrogen. Well, hydrogen has a subscript of 10. And that subscript tells us that there are 10 hydrogen atoms in that molecule. That 10, that subscript only belongs to hydrogen. Okay? For nitrogen, subscript of 4 means we have 4 atoms. For oxygen, we have a subscript of 2, and so that means there's only 2 oxygens in that molecule. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, would you please consider liking or subscribing? If you have any questions or comments, or if there's an example you'd like to see me do, please leave that in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on learning.